Okay, welcome to smartphone comparison video. So before we start this video, I want to clear that this is not a side-by-side comparison smartphone video. This video is going to be on flagship comparison between the OnePlus 8 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I haven't reviewed any of these, but I can tell you some of the main differences between both of these. I'm going to rank smartphones in this video like best in class, excellent, and very good. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So let's start from design and display. Note 10 Plus is 162.3mm taller and 7.9mm thick, while the OnePlus 8 Pro is 165.3mm taller and 8.5mm thick. Well, OnePlus 8 Pro is notably a thicker device than the Note 10 Plus. OnePlus 8 Pro comes in at 199 grams, which is just 3 grams heavier than the Note 10 Plus. And of course, this weight is not notably heavier. Both devices having front and back glass and aluminum frame. Both devices supports dual SIM at the same time, or you can either put your SIM card or micro SD card in Note 10 Plus, while OnePlus 8 Pro does not support micro SD card. OnePlus 8 Pro comes in 3 color options: glacial green, ultramarine blue, onyx black, while the Note 10 Plus comes in 4 color options: aura glow, aura white, aura black, and aura blue. OnePlus 8 Pro is using fluid AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, while Note 10 Plus is using dynamic AMOLED capacitive touchscreen. For those who don't know the difference between the fluid AMOLED and the dynamic AMOLED, so let me tell you that both displays are treated to eyes and provide brilliant display. Only advantage, fluid AMOLED screen has a 90Hz refresh rate, higher than dynamic AMOLED of 60Hz, which makes for a smoother animation across the board as it refreshes more quickly than usual. For a screen size, there is not too much difference as OnePlus 8 Pro sports 6.78-inch screen having 1440 by 3168 pixels resolution and having 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio, while the Note 10 Plus sports 6.8-inch screen and having 1440 by 3040 pixels resolution and having 19 by 9 aspect ratio. Both of the devices having punch-hole display. Note 10 Plus have 91.66% screen to body ratio, while the OnePlus 8 Pro have 90.24%. I rank the OnePlus 8 Pro on excellent and Note 10 Plus on very good quality. Okay, moving on to the performance. Note 10 Plus features Exynos 9825 chipset or the Snapdragon 855 chipset, depending on the region you are in, while the OnePlus 8 Pro sports Snapdragon 865 chipset. Well, if we talk about the graphics, Note 10 Plus sports Mali G72 MP12 graphics and OnePlus 8 Pro sports Adreno 650. So, according to Nano Review, Snapdragon 865 is better than the Exynos 9825. On Geekbench 5, Snapdragon 865 scored 927 on single core and 3413 on multi-core, while the Note 10 Plus scored 768 on single core and 2401 on multi-core. For Antutu benchmark, Snapdragon 865 scored 5,42,413, which is 93,384 more points than the Exynos 9825's 4,49,029 scores. OnePlus Pro having 2 storage options, either 128GB internal storage with 8GB of RAM or 256GB internal storage with 12GB of RAM. But if you choose the Note 10 Plus, it also has 2 storage options, either 256GB internal storage with 12GB of RAM or 512GB internal storage with 12GB of RAM. So in performance, I rank the OnePlus 8 Pro on best in class, while the Note 10 Plus on excellent quality. OnePlus 8 Pro features quad camera setup, having 48MP wide sensor with f1.8 aperture, 8MP 3x optical zoom telephoto sensor with f2.4 aperture, 48MP ultra-wide lens with f2.2 aperture, and 5MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Note 10 Plus also sports quad camera setup. The main sensor is 12MP wide sensor with f1.5 to f2.4 aperture, 12MP 2x optical zoom telephoto sensor with f2.1 aperture, 16MP ultra-wide sensor with f2.2 aperture, and this ultra-wide sensor can make super steady video. The last sensor is 0.3MP TOF 3D depth sensor. Note 10 sports ISOCELL Plus sensor, while the OnePlus 8 Pro features Exmor RS CMOS sensor. Note 10 Plus can shoot 4K videos at 60fps, 1080p videos at 240fps, and 720p videos at 960fps. While the OnePlus 8 Pro can shoot 4K video at 30 or 60fps and 1080p video at 30, 60 and 240fps. Moving on to the front camera, both devices have single camera punch hole setup. OnePlus 8 features 16MP wide sensor with f2.5 aperture, while the Note 10 Plus have 10MP wide sensor with f2.5 aperture. For front camera, Note 10 Plus can shoot 4K video at 30fps, while OnePlus 8 Pro does not support 4K video, but it can shoot 1080p video at 30fps. So in camera department, I rank both of the devices as best in class quality. Note 10 Plus features 4300 mAh of battery, which support 45-watt fast wired charging and 15-watt fast wireless charging, and also 9-watt reverse charging, while the OnePlus 8 Pro features 4510 mAh of battery and it can support 30-watt fast wired and wireless charging and 3-watt reverse charging. Also, both devices have in-display fingerprint scanner, but the OnePlus 8 Pro features optical in-display fingerprint scanner, while the Note 10 Plus support ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. That's all for now. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. My name is Hamza, this is Tech Fielder, and I'll catch you in the next one.